Guys, my name is Pintu Mondal, and in this video, I'm just going to share some of my tips and tricks how to save money and be financially independent at a very young age. Although I'm not saying I am completely financially independent, I am doing a job, I am independent, but there is a lot of thing needed to be done still. I am going forward to my goal, but I'm not there yet. So there is some tips that I used to follow, so I want to share that to you too, so you can reach your goal too. So first of all, expenses. So we have like expenses. If you are a human, you have expenses. So if there is necessary expenses and there is like unnecessary expenses. So I would say like necessary expenses like your bill, all the bill like recharge, and you have to pay for your electricity, you have to pay for your water and all. That's your necessary expenses. And unnecessary is when you are going for shopping for no reason. You have so many shirt and so many fans might be, and you are still buying new one. So that is unnecessary. So you have to minimalize your expenses to get to your goal, to get to your you have to make a budget for yourself, like you will spend that much money on that thing, so you can have a track, so you can have a record that what your expenses is and how much you are earning. You make a budget for yourself. Please try it once, for once at least in your life for 1 month, and that will change your life. I can guarantee you that that will change your life if you are making a budget and following a budget, taking out all those unnecessary things that you don't need to buy and you are still buying it. So the second tip is that think twice before buying anything. We bought a like a lot of unnecessary things that we don't need. Like when I was a spender, I used to spend a lot of money in my clothes, so I don't even wear them one time in my lifetime. I mean, I haven't even wear some of the dress that I have bought 6 years, 4 years ago or 2 years ago. I haven't wear them once. That is like just completely unnecessary. That was not needed. I just bought it. I just go for shopping. I just might be I wanted to brought something else, and I just I wanted to buy something else. I ended up buying something else. That's what happened. So shopping mall is that they have made their shopping mall and all on that purpose only, so people can come and they can buy. If they're coming to buy something, they will buy eventually buy a lot of thing, because there is a lot of option, there is a lot of thing, and you will get attracted. That's why the shopping mall is made. So when you're buying something, just think twice. Just think like one more time that am I really need that, am I really going to use that, where I am going to use that, and is it necessary for me. Think like that before buying anything, and that will minimize your expenses. I can suggest, I can guarantee you that. And I used to do that when now I go to shopping mall, and when when I pick something up, and I used to think like, okay, am I really need that thing, is it going to be, am I going to use this thing. And yes, that's the second tip. So think twice before buying anything. And third tip is spend less. Yes, money is a, how hard it is to get money. If you are doing a job, you know the value of money, because you have to do. I'm working in hospitality industry, so in hotel we used to do 12 hours, 8 hours shift, and then we used to get a very small amount of money. So it's very hard to get money when you are doing a private job, I would say. So money is a very, after working a lot, you get a small amount of money. So think like that, that will help you to spend less money. So when you're buying something which is not needed, just things like that. Okay, I have might be earned this money, by doing so much effort, and now I am spending this money on an useless thing. So don't, spend less, spend as less as you can, because money is very hard to make. For me, I would say, I'm not saying that nobody is making money, but money is a hard thing to make. There is a lot of people uh, who are surviving, you know. So please save money and spend less. The fourth thing you need to do, that sorry, make an extra income for yourself. So if you are doing a job, if and you have some kind of skills, although you don't have any skills, you can upgrade your skills, you can learn something new, right? So if you have a job, please try. If you have time, first of all, time is very important. For me, there is no time. There is I'm very busy in my job. There is, like, I need to sleep and go back to my work again. And but if you have time, you can start something, a side income or something inside. So you can get a extra amount of money from that thing. So think like that. And if you have option, you have time, so try to do something on free time. Use your free time, utilize your time, and try to do something. And the fifth things is that invest your money. Yes, nowadays, people used to do a lot of things: mutual funds, share market. There is a lot of option for you. And if you are, you know so if you are putting all your money in savings account, and if you are not investing anywhere, then you are doing a big mistake because of inflation. You know what inflation is? Because like, let assume that you have 1,000 rupees today, and in 1,000 rupees you can buy a lot of things now today, but in 2050 might be you can buy less things in that 1,000 rupees. Let clothes, let floor, or let rice, everything will be less because the price will increase rapidly. So if you want to, tackle with that, with the market, with if you want to uh, uh, get that money for yourself, you don't you have to invest your money smartly. You can't just put your money in a savings account, and that just gives you a very low interest rate, and that will not be very helpful. Because the inflation rate of India nowadays is very high. And you have to need to invest your money smartly. uh, Invest your money in mutual funds, in stock market as well, if you know anything about stock market. Smartly invest your money, please. And don't uh, get to any fraud thing, like, for bigger returns, people used to do mistake, and they used to get that fraud thing. So don't do it. Please do it smartly. Invest somewhere smart. Where I wanted to say, that's all I used to do. And I have invested my money in mutual funds, LIC, there is a. And and the six things, yes, I forget, before I forget, don't use credit card or EMI. I hate credit card, I hate EMI. Don't get the trap of EMI, because EMI is a debit that you need to pay, and I hate that. Because when you have a burden on your head or on your shoulder, you just feel like, you have to pay that money. It's like, assume that you have bought a car, uh, like in 5 lakhs, and you are doing a job that's only get you the salary of 25,000. In that 25,000 you need to feed your family, you need to maintain your lifestyle, and still you need to pay for that car every month. So that is burden to your soldier. So please don't do that. If you are smart enough, please don't buy anything which you can't afford, like a car where your salary is less, very less, and you are buying something like which you can't afford. So buy it when you have reached a goal, reached like a good when you are getting a good amount of money in your hand every month. That time you can go for EMI option, I would say. But if and credit card also, it's very harmful. It gives you credit first of all, and then you do shopping and all, like there is a debt. And if you are not, credit card has a very if you are missing their payments, there is a penalty fees, and that penalty fees is very very high. So if you are like getting a debit card and using it, so pay the bills on time. Don't wait, don't delay, because that will be very harmful, and that will take your all saving. And it's very very bad. I mean, I personally don't use any EMI or any credit card, just because of these reasons, because I don't want any burden on my shoulder. I want to be free. I want to be flexible, because if you are taking a EMI or home loan, any kind of loan, when people used to take, they used to stuck in one place. They used to feel like, okay, I have this loan, I have this EMI, I have this credit card bill, now I can't do anything. I have to continue with this job, I have to continue with the money flow. So please be smart, and don't get to a trap, because everything, when you are getting something which you can't afford, uh, you need to pay for it, and it will pay you much more higher. So please invest smart, spend less, and save money for your future. Make a good retirement plan for yourself. After 40 years of working, you don't need to be dependent on your children, and that's the worst plan to have, I would say. Please don't do that. uh, Invest smartly, so you can reach your goal by the time of your retirement, or much before that. So yes, that's it, and thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, thumbs up, and hit the thumbs up button actually. And thank you, and take care. Bye bye.